All right, let's talk about something that's on a lot of your minds. How do you actually trade gold in India? Legally. Today, we're going to cut through all the noise and show you the safe, compliant way to do it so you can avoid those traps that so many people fall into.
You've probably heard the horror stories, right? Traders who thought they were onto a sure thing only to get their accounts frozen or worse, end up in some serious legal trouble. So the big question is, how do you get in on the action without all that drama? Well, that's exactly what we're going to figure out.
Okay, let's get one thing straight right off the bat. Trading gold in India is not illegal. The problem isn't what you're trading, it's how you're trading it. Too many people jump onto some foreign app they've heard about, have no idea what the rules are, and then when it all goes south, they blame the market. But the real issue? It was the method all along.
So here's our game plan for this explainer. We're going to look at why this is so confusing in the first place. Then we'll zero in on that huge trap most retail traders fall into. After that, we'll cover the safe, legal digital solution. We'll even help you figure out which platform is right for you. And to wrap it all up, we'll give you a simple, safe roadmap just for beginners.
All right, first up, why is there so much confusion around this stuff anyway? Well, it all starts with the fact that the word gold can mean totally different things depending on who you're talking to.
You see, people hear gold, and they kind of lump everything into one big pile. The jewelry in your locker, the chart on a forex platform, a digital token, even gold-backed crypto. But here's the thing, they are not the same at all. And, most importantly, you're not allowed to trade all of them in India. And that's where the trouble really starts.
Okay, now we need to talk about the #1 risk, the biggest danger zone, the trap that catches so many new traders. We're talking about the foreign forex trap.
And I'm serious here. Please pay close attention to this next part. Understanding this could literally save you from losing a ton of money and maybe more importantly from getting into some real legal hot water.
So when you see that ticker symbol, XAUUSD, on some random platform, that's foreign forex gold. And here's the deal. For retail traders here in India, trading this directly is a huge no-no. It's not permitted. If anyone's trying to get you to trade this, they're leading you down a very, very risky path.
So how can you spot these sketchy platforms? Well, here are the big red flags to watch out for. Is the broker based outside India? Are they promising you insane leverage, like 100x or 200x? Is there no clear mention of Indian regulations? These are huge warning signs. The danger is real, you know? You could be making profits and then one day, poof, your account is blocked and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it.
All right, enough with the scary stuff. Let's pivot and talk about the solution. Because there is a modern, fully compliant, and totally legal way to trade gold right here in India. Let's look at the safe way forward.
And that solution is digital, or what some call tokenized gold. And what's great about this is how straightforward it is. This isn't some crazy, complicated forex derivative. Nope. It's simply a digital token that represents real, physical gold that's sitting safely in a vault somewhere.
So what makes this the legit, safe way to go? It really boils down to 3 key things. 1, they require proper KYC. They have to know who you are. 2, the whole operation is under Indian laws and regulations. And 3, there's a clear, straightforward process for tax compliance. This is what a safe, regulated environment looks like.
Okay, so you know what to trade now. The next question is, obviously, where do you trade it? And honestly, the best platform for you really comes down to your personal style. Are you more of a long-term investor or are you an active trader, jumping in and out of the market?
Let's just put 2 of the compliant Indian platforms side by side so you can see what I mean. You've got coindcx, which is fantastic for both trading and long-term investing. It's a really solid choice for beginners who want that flexibility. Then you've got something like Sharkexchange, which is purely for active trading. It's built for speed and boasts some of the lowest fees you'll find in India. Both are legal, but they're built for different kinds of people. Okay, so you've got the knowledge, you've picked your platform, but listen, the tool is just one part of the equation. The other half, the most important half, is your mindset and your strategy. So let's build a safe roadmap to get you started.
You know, a lot of people think they lose money because gold is tricky or the market is rigged, but honestly, it almost always comes down to a few classic avoidable mistakes. Jumping in without learning a thing, going way too big on your trades, not using a stop loss, a big one, blindly following tips, and just trading way too much. Look, without discipline, even the best platform in the world can't save you.
So, let's lay out a simple 5-step roadmap to get you started on the right foot. 1. Actually take the time to understand how gold behaves. 2. Start small. Please don't throw your life savings at your first trade. 3. Learn the basics of risk management. It's the most important skill you'll ever have. 4. Fight that urge to overtrade. And finally, number 5, keep a journal. Track what works, what doesn't, and learn from it every single day.
And this right here, this just nails it. A compliant platform, whether it's coindcx or Sharkexchange, gives you the safe, legal road to drive on. But whether you reach your destination, profit, that's all on you. It's decided by your discipline.
So, I'll leave you with this question to think about. Who are you as a trader? Are you a beginner who needs a flexible starting point, or are you an active trader who needs low fees and fast execution? Knowing yourself is the first and most important trade you'll ever make. Safe trade, legal trade.